blue balls.
Oh, keep a save!
What a save!
Yeah!
With the block! That's in, biatch!
Blue balls coming at you.
Smoked it. Oh! It's our game. It's blue balls. Blue balls. Oh! That was a goal. That was a goal right there, see? That was a goal. There's the blue ball. Name of the game. Oh! Just flip, no flinch.
Yeah, 0 for 2. The worst so far has been 1 out of 5.
0 for 3.
Alright, I gotta get 1. I'll be huge.
1 4. He's going for the goose egg.
I'm going for the O.
Hey, if you don't get this, you gotta play Nick.
Making blue balls history. 0 out of 5.
Come on, Sally. No. Swing the stick. I can't hit it well when I try to swing hard. Swing hard. There you go.
What the?
0 for 4. Am I going for the goose?
0 for 3.
No, that's 0 for 3. It's 0 for 3? Yeah. That's 0 for 4.
You know, I'm getting mad slide. I need to take some golf lessons. Too much room. I'm moving back too far.
Oh, goose egg!
I might have missed, but I don't care. Because I hit that one hard.
Alright, I gotta go. You need to fix it?
Yeah, I'll give it to you.